Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel of Make It with Mia. In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you some ways you can take Dollar Tree's glassware for some everyday home decor organization. As you can see, they always have out a ton of different glassware to choose from, and they all are really pretty. And for the price, you can't beat it. So I'm gonna pick up these here. These are super pretty with the colors when you shine it against the light. Obviously, you can use this for so many things, but these are super pretty for in the bathroom. I just love how the light reflects off of it. It gives it a nice little look whenever they are sitting on a shelf. So you can use it for some Q-tips and cotton balls or toothpicks, as you see here. Anything that you would like to place in these jars for your bathroom, and it will look super pretty because they are clear. And if you wanted, you can also place down some labels in one of the sides of the jar, so that way it can look even more prettier. That's just if you want to get a little fancier. But moving along, I'm gonna take these seashells because these are some beautiful seashells, and I did place them in one of Dollar Tree's baskets, but I find that it's just a little bit nitpicky to move around and I don't want to break them. So I think a jar, placing them in a nice jar like this would be more ideal, because you can see the seashells when you are in the bathroom and it's appealing to the eye, but they won't get damaged or broken or anything like that whenever you are cleaning and moving things around the bathroom. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick out my favorites from this basket and place them down inside, and I think it's super pretty to have a nice little seashell jar for some decoration, whether it's in your bathroom or wherever it is in your home. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love seashells, and these are super pretty. If you wanted, you can also add some water or sand or some other things just to make it look even more prettier, but I think this is a great idea just to, like I said, keep them nice and safe. Moving along, we're gonna take the same jar, and I was going to do a little DIY with this solar light that you can find at Dollar Tree, but I changed my mind because my mother-in-law is changing the home for fall time, and she's bringing out all of the fall decor. And she was telling me, she mentioned to me that she would like a small little vase for the little table that's in the kitchen. So I thought to make a nice little vase for her, something simple that anyone can put together. So I'm just taking that jar and I'm placing down some marbles that you can easily find at Dollar Tree. If not at Dollar Tree, I'm pretty sure you can find them at any craft store, but Dollar Tree always sells marbles. They always have them in different colors as well, and they also carry little rocks in case you wanted to use those instead. But I'm gonna fill this jar up with these marbles in this beautiful green color, and then I'm gonna take a nice variety of different fall flowers and fall colors instead of that solar light, and I'm going to just easily clip them off because they are way too long. So we'll just clip them off with some wire cutters that you can also find at Dollar Tree, and then I'm going to just stick them down inside, arranging them how I would like, and until I am satisfied with how they look. I am going in with 2 different shades of flowers, and you can also find the fall flowers out right now because Dollar Tree are already putting them out. So you would want to go check them out now before they start selling out of them, because they have started putting them out early, which is always great to go early and pick them up. Look how simple and easy this was to come together, and look how beautiful it looks sitting right here on the table. I think it looks super pretty with the fall colors just tying in really nicely. You would have to let me know what you think, because I think this is super pretty for now or for any season or any holiday that you would like to decorate for. Moving along, in Dollar Tree, you can find this bamboo lid jar that is super pretty. I think these are really nice, a nice find from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna take these and I want to use them for either spice jars or for your coffee and your sugar. I'm going to show you those ways that it would look really nice in your kitchen if you are into that sort of thing of having, you know, an aesthetic look. And if you don't like the original jar of something, then you can use these beautiful jars for that. So you can see I'm just pouring in my instant coffee, and then I'm going to put in my sugar in the other one. For my morning routine of coffee making, it's easily to open too. The lids are with the little non-slip sort of ring around it, so it's nice and easy to open. And I just love the look of these. I think they are super pretty, and they would look nice in a little coffee bar or something like that. But I think these are super pretty. Let me know what you think and if you would pick these up from Dollar Tree. You can also use these beautiful jars for your spices in your kitchen. I'm adding some cinnamon in this one, just like, you know, your normal spices that might be your go-to, or some spices that you might not, you know, really use and you want to place them somewhere. They are perfect for that as well. Moving along, we're going to go back to Dollar Tree, and we are going to be picking up their 3-compartment little organizer with the gold trim. As you can see, they have other ones that look a bit different, and they do have rose gold as well for the trimming, and they even have little 3-compartment trays for this set. But I was thinking that you can make a nice little coffee and tea bar using just this simple little organizer. If you have maybe a business or you work in an office and you would like a place to organize your coffee or your tea, then this is the perfect little compartment for that. It's super cute, and it organizes it really well for your small areas, and I love it. Also, feel free to use this in your kitchen sink. I think this is super perfect for holding your sponge. It's just a perfect little compartment in the front there to hold your sponge whenever you are done washing your dishes and you need a place to, you know, put down the sponge, and you don't like leaving it inside of the sink, because I know I don't like the look of it just laying in there for some reason. But this little compartment is perfect for that. And in the other 2 compartments, you can place down maybe some cleaning brushes, Brillo pads, or whatever else. But I think this is super nice for the kitchen as well. If you've enjoyed today's video, do give it a big thumbs up because it does help out my channel. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did creating it for you. And I will see you all on my next video, my friend. Take care and God bless.